Ever feel back pain stealing your focus and energy while you work? What if I told you a smarter workspace doesn't have to be expensive? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm revealing the top 6 cheap standing desks that boost comfort, productivity, and health. Grab your favorite through the links below and upgrade your setup today. At number 6 is KOUPA Height Adjustable Desk. What if I told you one small desk could completely change how your body feels after a long workday? The KOUPA Height Adjustable Desk surprised me in the best way, especially for people hunting smart options among affordable standing desks that do not feel cheap. Many buyers worry about wobble, limited height range, or poor mobility, but this one adjusts smoothly from 32 inches to 47 inches, letting you switch from sitting to standing with real relief and confidence. And that rotatable tabletop with 270-degree movement quietly solves space and posture problems others struggle with, as compared with others that feel stiff or cramped. The steel frame feels secure, wheels glide silently even on carpet, and daily use feels stable and reassuring. Downsides? The surface is compact, but for laptops it feels intentional. For budget-focused shoppers who want flexibility, comfort, and peace of mind, this is a smart buy, while large desktop users may want more space. On number 5 is Elephance Folding Desk. Did you know most people quit buying budget work desks because setup stress and weak frames kill the excitement fast? That is where the Elephance Folding Desk quietly wins hearts, especially for viewers exploring affordable standing desk alternatives that fit tight spaces. Before buying, people fear wobble, tools, and clutter, and this desk solves that by arriving fully assembled, folding in minutes, and standing strong with a thicker eye-shaped steel frame that feels reassuring compared with others that flex under pressure. The size of 31.5 by 19.7 by 29.5 inches feels just right for daily laptop work, studying, or gaming, while storage is effortless. It is not height adjustable, so posture shifters may hesitate, but for $64.59, this feels like a smart, stress-free choice for small homes and calm minds. At number 4 is SIDUCAL Standing Desk. What if a budget desk could actually fix posture pain instead of causing it? The SIDUCAL Standing Desk proves that smart design still exists in this price range, especially for viewers exploring value-focused standing desk options. Before buying, people fear limited height, weak frames, and messy cables, and this desk answers all three by adjusting smoothly from 29.1 inches to 44.9 inches, staying solid under pressure, and keeping devices powered with a built-in charging strip. The tiltable surface adds comfort others skip, while the wide base feels safer compared with others that wobble during movement. It is not ultra compact, but the stability brings peace of mind. At $61.59, this feels like a confident, practical choice for posture-conscious users who want reliability without overspending. On number 3 is Amztabler Small Standing Desk. What if the smallest desk in your room turned out to be the smartest upgrade for your body? The Amztabler Small Standing Desk proves that going compact does not mean giving up comfort, especially for viewers browsing smart, budget-friendly standing desk setups. People hesitate before buying because they fear limited space, weak rollers, or annoying height limits, and this desk calmly fixes that by adjusting from 31 inches to 43 inches, rolling smoothly, then locking firmly when you need stability. The wide 32-inch by 16-inch surface feels surprisingly usable, and the double anti-movement design adds safety compared with others that slowly sink. It supports real daily movement, tested for real-world comfort. The trade-off is size, not power. At $56.98, this is a confident pick for small homes, walking pad users, and focused workers who want peace of mind. At number 2 is Hadulcet Small Standing Desk. What if your desk could keep up with your energy instead of slowing you down? The Hadulcet Small Standing Desk makes a strong case for people searching value-driven standing desk solutions without stress. Many buyers worry about treadmill fit, shaky frames, or awkward storage, and this desk answers calmly with a wide base that fits most treadmills, smooth height adjustment from 29.1 inches to 44.9 inches, and smart holders that keep essentials exactly where you want them. The steel frame feels secure and tested for real-world comfort, delivering stability compared with others that vibrate under movement. It is not ultra-minimalist, but the added organization brings relief and confidence. At $59.99, this is a smart choice for active workers who want safety, flow, and peace of mind in daily routines. Now moving to the last one is Rxrpexjke Standing Desk. What if fixing back pain did not require replacing your entire desk? The Rxrpexjke Standing Desk takes a smarter route, and that is why it fits naturally into conversations around affordable standing desk upgrades for everyday workers. Many people people hesitate because they fear tools, clutter, or wasted space, and this converter removes that stress by arriving fully assembled and ready to lift in seconds. The compact surface of 23.62 inches by 13.38 inches feels intentional, while smooth manual height adjustment from 2.3 inches to 15.6 inches keeps posture aligned and shoulders relaxed, tested for real-world comfort. Compared with others that feel bulky or complicated, this feels calm and precise. The trade-off is limited surface size, but for laptop users seeking relief and peace of mind, this is a smart, honest buy. Winner is SIDUCAL Standing Desk. If you want the smartest balance of comfort, features, and long-term value, the SIDUCAL Standing Desk clearly stands out. It solves the biggest buyer fears at once: poor posture, weak stability, and messy workspaces, while staying budget-friendly. The wide height range supports real sit-to-stand movement, the tiltable top adds ergonomic relief others miss, and the built-in power strip removes daily desk clutter. Compared with more compact or fixed designs, this one feels future-proof and reassuring. If you want one desk that genuinely improves how you work every day, this is the safest, most confident choice. So guys, this was the video about the 6 cheap standing desk. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.